Hello. So today we're going to do a comparison. These are all Savage Axis rifles, and I have them in different calibers. So we have a 223, and we have a 243, we have a 6.5 Creedmoor, we have a 270, and we have a 308. So, and these are the rounds we're going to be firing. So that's 150 grain, 130 grain for the 270. The 6.5 is 129 grain. The 243 is an 80 grain, and the 223 is 55 grain. So they're all the Savage Axis series, different calibers. So we're going to compare how well they do at 100 yards. And I've got some targets set up way down there at 100 yards. So let's see how they do. So the first rifle we're going to shoot is the 223. And that'll be the first target on the left. So again, that was a 223, and we're going for groupings. So it may not be dead on, but we're going to see how the groupings are for each of the rifle. Okay, so next up is the 243, and that'll be the second one from the left. So again, that was a 243, and it's the second target from the left. Okay, so the next one up is the 6.5 Creedmoor, and that'll be the third target from the left. Okay, again, that was a 6.5 Creedmoor. Okay, so the next one up is the 270 Winchester. And that'll be the fourth target over. So again, that's the 270 Winchester, and that's a really good group at 100 yards. Okay, and this last one is going to be the 308 Winchester. Okay, that was the 308 Winchester. Now all these were shot at 100 yards by the same type of rifle, and some of it could be me, some of it could be just the caliber or whatever, but I figured I'd do a comparison. Same shooter, same type rifles, different calibers, to kind of give you an idea of what it's like. So here's the final results. This is the 223, and that's the group I got at 100 yards. Now this is a 4-inch ruler, so the biggest gap is about 2 inches. So see, this is 4-inch. The little Leatherman's a 4-inch thing, so we got about a 2-inch spread there. Now the next one is the 243 Winchester. I was firing a little high, as you could see, but the spread on that is about 2.5 inches. So that's not too bad. And then the next one is the 6.5 Creedmoor, and that's how I did there, and that's about a 2-inch spread. And here's the 270 Winchester. Now that was phenomenal. So it's about 1.5 inches, because that's a 2-inch section. So that's pretty good. And then the last one is the 308, and that one we've got about 3.5-inch spread. Now remember, all of this could be contributed to me. I'm not a professional marksman. These are just the same rifle, same with different calibers, so I figured I would do this comparison. So if you're looking for a caliber, this may help. Now the 223s with this rifle, really slow fire. I have gotten them so all 5 of them would be touching. So, but this was a relatively normal fire. This wasn't like super precision or anything like that. So yeah, I'm definitely impressed with this 270 Winchester. So that's a pretty good grouping. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a good day.